This tutorial is about how to evaluate the particular answer sheet submitted by a student. So this is the exam module. Click onto the exams. Here you can see the list of exam and you can choose which exam you are going to evaluate. So here I am going to take the demo exam which the student is already been answered. Go to the actions, click onto the action button, click onto the view button on that. Now you can see an exam details. Here click onto the finalize result, the green button. Now you can see the attempted paper of the particular student. You can see the question number 1 objective, and you can see the question which one of the following plants wrap up its leaves on touching. So the student has been answered that touch me not. So the answer is correct. This is a 1 mark question and the answer is correct. So he obtained 1 mark. This question is being checked by the system. It's an automatic process. So the system checked the answer and give mark 1. Now we'll move to the second question. That's again a objective. Sorry for the interruption. Okay, now we can see which one of the following is produced from the system of a plant. So the student has given the answer both B and C, and the answer is again correct. So it is again checked by the system. So the student obtained mark 1 as the question is of mark 1. Now we'll move to the question number 3. It is a fill in the blanks. Here the question is living things except plants take dash for breathing. So the answer was given oxygen. The student's answer is oxygen, and again the student obtained a mark 1 and it is being checked by the system. It is also an automatic process. So the objective, the subjective and the true or false, these 3 questions will be checked by the system and the mark will be obtained automatically. Now we'll move to the subjective question. In the subjective question, you can see the question is explain water cycle. So the student is marked the answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here say like in the question the student has given 5 points. The mark is 5 and you can give the marks obtained, like if the point number 5 is wrong or if the point number 3 is wrong, you can give the mark accordingly. So here I check the answers and I am giving the question giving a 3 mark as if the question 2 questions or 2 points is wrong, I can give accordingly. So here I am going to give the mark as 3 and click on to update. So this question is a manual procedure. So you can see that it is checked by the particular teacher. So the name will be mentioned there. Now again the question number 5 is also a subjective question, and here also he has given 5 points. Example like depends, like how we give the answer. So here I am going to give 5 marks as if the 5 points is correct, you can give the mark accordingly. So here I am going to give 5 marks for the particular question and I am going to click update. When you click update, the status will be changed as the checked by the particular teacher. So this is how an answer sheet is evaluated. So here you can see the 5 questions. Question number 1, it is checked by the system automatically. The answer is the mark is given. Question number 2, since the answer is correct, the question's color is green. This is also a correct answer, and here I gave only 3 marks for this particular subjective, and here I have given 5 marks. Now if all the questions is been checked or evaluated, you can click onto the finalize it button. That is a green button. Once you have corrected all the questions, or once you have entered all the marks. In case if you have any diagram, and if those particular answer sheet is uploaded in assignment module, you can check the answer, and you can give the marks in this particular page itself, so that all the questions marks will be entered here itself. Now you can click the finalize it button, which is in green color. Click OK. Now the teacher can see the result finalized is passed. That means you have already given a pass percentage in the exam details. So according to that, it will be automatically calculated. You can go back to the exams. You can go back to the particular results. Click onto the results. I'll show again. I'll click onto the results and click the particular class. I'm selecting 3rd B, and you can select the exam. In the drop down, the exam will come. So our exam was demo exam, and either you can select the list of the past students, or you can click onto the failed students. Here I'm not giving any I'm not selecting any fields here. I'm just searching. So here you can see the list here. The test name, the student mark obtained is 11 out of 13, and the pass percentage is 84.62, and the result is pass. You can see the action, like if you want to take a printout from here, you can take that, and if you want to see the results in different format, it is also available. Thank you.